HG has a product that removes sports odors first wash in one go. Let's find out if that's true. Hi John.
Hello.
I brought two things. A jar of HG laundry booster against odors and a shirt I wore during a marathon. I washed it a few times, but it still doesn't smell fresh. Can you get that musty smell out in one go?
Absolutely. Our laundry booster against odors is a detergent additive that attacks the odor molecules that have penetrated deep into the fibers of the textiles.
But why can't my usual detergent do that?
Well, normal detergent cannot remove those odor molecules. And that's getting even a bigger problem now we're all washing on lower temperatures.
Of course. Can you show how it works?
You dose your normal amount of detergent, then you add our laundry booster to penetrate deep into the fibers of your textile and to remove the odor molecules. And all during your normal washing cycle.
Easy as that?
So simple. And one jar is good for 16 washes. So you can run another marathon.
I wasn't planning to, but I'm glad it's possible. Thank you, John, for your time.
You're welcome.
Well, indeed. Nasty sports odors disappear with HG Laundry Booster against odors in one go.